how learning a language changes the brain. The process of learning a language, particularly for those aiming for a high level of proficiency such as C2, is not merely an educational endeavour, but a transformative experience that extends far beyond the mere acquisition of vocabulary and grammar. This video goes into the depths of how learning multiple languages fundamentally alters brain function, reshapes perspectives, and enhances cognitive flexibility. Cognitive transformations in bilingual or multilingual individuals. One of the most profound changes experienced by individuals who embark on the journey of learning multiple languages is the alteration in brain function. Bilingual or multilingual individuals often engage in a mental balancing act, constantly dividing their attention between different languages. This continuous juggling act leads to significant changes in the brain's executive function, particularly in areas responsible for attention, problem-solving, and multitasking. This shift in brain function also extends to how bilingual or multilingual individuals perceive the world around them. With each language offering its own unique structure and cultural background, multilingual individuals can develop distinct worldviews and interpretations of information compared to their monolingual counterparts. This expanded perspective allows them to see the world through different lenses, making them more adept at understanding and interpreting varying contexts and viewpoints. Polyglots and their unique world experience. Polyglots, or individuals fluent in multiple languages, experience the world in a fundamentally different way from monolingual individuals. This difference is especially noticeable in their consumption of media. Polyglots might find discrepancies between media portrayals in different languages, leading to a more nuanced and multifaceted understanding of global events. This exposure enables them to critically assess information from various sources and develop a more rounded view of the world. Enhanced cognitive flexibility through language learning. The act of regularly switching between languages, known as code switching, significantly enhances cognitive flexibility. This practice encourages brain plasticity, which is the brain's ability to adapt and rewire itself, improving the ability to switch between different thought processes and communication styles. This enhanced flexibility is not just confined to linguistic abilities, but extends to other cognitive domains, making multilingual individuals more adaptable and better problem solvers. Fostering global understanding and empathy. Learning various languages does more than just expand one's linguistic capabilities. It fosters a deeper global understanding and empathy. As individuals learn new languages, they also delve into the cultures and histories associated with those languages. This exposure can break down racial and cultural stereotypes, revealing the common human experiences and needs that bind different societies together. By understanding and appreciating the diversity of the world's cultures, multilingual individuals can become more empathetic and culturally sensitive. Applying multilingual skills beyond language. The benefits of being bilingual or multilingual extend beyond the realm of language itself. Individuals proficient in multiple languages demonstrate a high level of adaptability in various situations, applying their skills to navigate through complex scenarios. The expanded worldviews and exposure to multiple linguistic structures enable them to approach problems and solutions differently, often leading to more creative and effective outcomes. Conclusion. In conclusion, the journey of learning a language, particularly to the proficiency level of C2, is a transformative experience that reshapes not only the individual's linguistic abilities, but also their cognitive processes, worldviews, and empathetic understanding. The changes in brain function, perspective, and cognitive flexibility that accompany language learning are profound and far-reaching, impacting not just personal development, but also fostering a deeper connection and understanding between different cultures and societies. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the ability to communicate in multiple languages and understand diverse perspectives becomes ever more valuable, making language learning an essential skill for the modern age.